Hello everyone! If you are looking for a video tutorial about how to set up shipping rates on your Shopify store, this is the best video for you because right here I am going to show you and teach you the step-by-step process on how are you going to do that. So the first thing that we need to make sure is that we need to open our Shopify store. And after we open our Shopify store, let's proceed with the settings. And right here, you need to find for shipping and delivery. You just need to click that one and you will be redirected here. And as you can see, there are shipping, wherein you can choose where you ship and how much you charge for shipping. First, let's proceed with the general shipping rate. We just need to click that, and here, as you can see, you will be able to see the shipping origins and the shipping zone, and also you can start shipping to more places. The thing that we are going to do is first we create zone. Here we can select any country that we want. For example, you want international, then you just click that one. And if you want one country, you just need to click that country. And after that, you proceed with done. But before that, you need to enter a zone name and done. The next thing that we can do is to add rate. Here, we can choose between set up your own rates or use carrier or app to calculate rates. Here in rate name, you just need to tap that standard, and in price, you can select whatever the price that you desire. For example, like that, I enter 150 pesos and you can add conditional pricing. For example, based on item weight or maybe based on order price. And you can enter the weight or kilogram of the parcel like that. The other option is use carrier or app to calculate rates. In my case, this is not available because I am using a free trial, but I will show on your screen what will be appear or what will appear on your screen when you choose that use carrier or app to calculate rates. So here are the things that you need to do. And after that, you just need to save that or click done. And that's it for the general for all the products that you want to give a shipping or shipping rate. After that, you just need to save all the changes that you made here. And after that, let's just wait. And that's it. The other option is to use custom shipping rates. You just need to click create new orders. After that, you need to enter here, like for example, your product is fragile or it's heavy. In my case, I'm going to type fragile product. And after that, you need to add the product that you want for this customized shipping. Here in shipping zone, tap create zone, and I am going to select my country, Philippines. You just need to scroll down until the end or the bottom. And after that, click done. The next thing that we are going to do is to add rate. Like what we did before or earlier, that's what we're going to do now. You can choose again between set up your own rates or use carrier or app to calculate rates. And after that, Click done and save all the changes that you made. And go back again. And here, as you can see, it is already in my shipping and delivery. We can also edit expected delivery dates here. It also have local pickup wherein you let your customer to pick their orders. You just need to click that and check, and after that you can also select the pickup time. You can also give note or yes for the pickup instruction. Like for example, bring your confirmation email when you come to collect your order. And you can change that whatever you want, and that's it. You just need to save that one. That's all for today. There are many options for the shipping and delivery, and you can learn all those things by yourself. I hope this video helps you a lot, and if yes, please do like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much.